All right, guys, I got something I'm pretty excited about. We're gonna do a little unboxing video. I just got the Zentron Q50. Check this thing out. There's some stuff in my bag there. That was not included. This thing's awesome. So, really nice looking box. Zentron Q50, Zentron USA Q50 thermal. It's a really nice box. Nice display there. Nice picture of what you're actually getting. On this side, it tells you your serial number and a little bit of information about the optic itself. This side tells you about the apps. Let's open this thing up. I'll let you guys see it first. Can you see it? Sick. What does it say? It says, "Thank you for your purchase. We hope our product brings new depth to your hunting needs. Leave a review and tag us on Instagram for a chance to get featured." Sweet. Let's see what's in the box. Awesome. So, right out the rip, really nice travel case. It's pretty padded. Seems rigid. It came with a padded shoulder pad or shoulder strap as well. That's pretty nice. Pull that off there. Go ahead and clip that on there here. That is a pretty sweet setup. Keep it secure, especially for us that do a lot of traveling to hunt or shoot. That's a pretty nice feature. Carry it around, keep your optics safe, especially when you're spending the kind of money that a thermal requires. Definitely want to keep it safe. All right, let's open this thing up. Sorry for the shakiness. Awesome. All right, let's see what's in the top first. Got a little cleaning cloth, USB-C cable. Has USB-C on both sides, about probably a foot long, maybe 15 inches long. That should be nice for transferring data and stuff. So there's a little top pouch in here. Your owner's manual's in there. Awesome. I actually glanced through this earlier. I downloaded the digital copy, and it's a solid manual. A lot of companies, like, you can tell they skimp on the manual. This one's very clear. Instructions are nice. Let's pull this thing out of here. All right, let's look at the accessories first. You get a nice little eye cup. It's threaded, it looks like, so that should just screw right on there. Allen wrench. A little baggie of screws. They were in a baggie. I ripped it. All right, some screws in there. I assume we'll need those. This is just a spacer. All right, and then you got a mount with nice little thumb tabs. That's pretty nice. Thumb tabs, so you don't have to have a Allen wrench to switch it over to your different firearms. It's kind of cool. Here it is. Boom. Zentron Q50. This thing looks awesome. Small in size. It's not super bulky. Sweet. Nice flip cup so you can actually shade it and keep it back. Oh, it kind of snaps back in place. That's pretty cool, guys. Nice lock. Oh, it has a little depressed lock so you can lock it on. It's not just going to pop off. It actually locks, and then I don't know if you guys will be able to see this. It like has a little detent there, so it actually clips back to hold back. 2 screws on the bottom. I assume that's what we're going to need these screws for. Which one are they? There's 2 different sizes of screws. Oh, maybe not. Maybe there's just 2. Oh, they just sent you extra screws. I see. There's 4 screws in there included. They already have thread locker on them. I want to put it together and check it out in its full form. So first we're going to take the eyepiece, screw it on there. So there is a focus ring in front of it, but even when you have that eyepiece tightened all the way down, it's not putting pressure on that focus ring, so you can still turn it freely. That's good thought, nice design. I've seen, even on my PVS 14, you can crank that eyepiece down, the little rubber ring on the end of it. You can crank it down so fucking tight that you can't do the focus anymore. Maybe it might not be my PVS 14. What is that? Oh, it's another thermal brand I won't mention. All right, so I guess I'm gonna do it this way. I'm gonna have to have this pretty far back on my rifle. I'm putting it on a 6 arc that has a pretty long length of pole. So I'm gonna face this forward so this thing can kind of hang off my rail and actually get back close to my eye here. Oop, almost lost it. Do not tighten both of them all the way, or the first one all the way down until you get the second one in. That's for sure. That made it difficult. I don't want to over tighten those. They have Loctite on them, so I don't think you need to get those too crazy. Awesome. There she is in all her mighty, in all her glory. Sorry. Zentron Q50. Zen Q50. Those are nice. So you, like I said, you'll be able to switch it firearms. It's not really QD, but it's toolless at least. So it clamps on nice and tight. Sweet. I'm excited to try this thing out. I will hopefully get some video here and update you guys. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.